Nothing. I'm getting hands picture.
Right here.
Hold on, buddy. Yeah, girl.
Woo!
Dad, go with her.
Oh, geez.
You have.
What about your hat?
Dad, take your shirt off and go. You have your swim
I
shirt
gotta make
on.
sure she gets off.
Yeah,
got
just
it?
hold her hand and yank her.
Girl.
Oh.
You called it. Once you jump in there, you
Hold
swim
her hand
around,
and yank
then we
her.
have your partner. 8 inches. You good?
If you know.
Here we go.
Good?
Jump out.
Let's go.
Jump out.
Ready? Set.
Dad's gonna go with you.
Jump.
Woo!